Hey everyone, it's Jesse from JAS Aquatics. I'm going to show you how to check a Jandy JXI heater here when you have load default issues or an auxiliary error monitor, which is down here. I'll show you a little bit of everything. This is your auxiliary monitor here, and this is your louver switch on the bottom and your auxiliary monitor at the top. Sometimes you get an error code at the screen, on the LCD screen, that says auxiliary monitor fault, check auxiliary monitor. Sometimes the aluminum that comes with it gets a little corroded, so you want to clean it off and check it out and make sure it's good connections on the terminal. Then instead, I just put a new solid copper piece in. This way it's a better conductor, and I thought it might have been a bad unit, so we just put a secondary piece in to check it. So right now you see it says fault check auxiliary monitor. So what you're going to need to do is make sure that this green light is off. You want to keep everything off. This way you're in the full service mode now. What you're going to do is you're going to hit all three of these at the same time. So you can hold them down for 7 seconds. And it's going to bring you into a service mode. Oops. So you can hold it down for 7 seconds. Okay, you're going to hear clear clutched errors. You're going to keep going down arrows until you see load defaults. When you hit load defaults, you can hit menu is the OK button. So you can hit OK. You can select low defaults. You're going to go to yes. You can hit yes. You can hit yes. It's going to clear all the low defaults. And as you just heard, the monitor just came back on, and this heater should fire up.